All right, y'all, Truckers Life, and we back, baby. Yeah, we lost, but it's still Cowboys Nation, baby. Cowboys, Cowboys, baby, Cowboys. You know, it's Cowboys Nation everywhere I go. But hey, we got a meal. We got a meal tonight, y'all. And it's not an easy one. Not everybody can do it because it takes a while to cook it. But I'm going to bring y'all down here real quick. Yeah, I got a subwoofer and a sound bar in my truck. Yeah, that's rice. That's the ready rice that I cook with that I eat a lot. But we got some olive oil in here. We're gonna put, Walmart sells them diced onions already. I ain't gotta chop them myself. And we're gonna put a good amount of onion in here. Put a good amount of onions in there. Yeah, good amount of onions. Yeah. Yeah. Load it back up. Just straggle it on the outside. So I just put it in there. We're gonna take some salt. Of course, my white pepper. Garlic powder. Oh, excuse me. Cumin. Not too much of this, because this has a pretty strong flavor. I love the smell of cumin though, and the taste. It's so umami-ish. Paprika. A little bit of turmeric. Cayenne. Mix it around. Oh, it already smells good though. I ain't gonna lie. And of course we had olive oil. That's the oil you saw at the bottom was olive oil. And we'll be back. Okay, y'all. We're gonna take these beautiful oxtails and we're just gonna layer these in. And we're gonna put the same seasoning in that I put on the bottom. And we'll be back. I had to take the oxtails out. I forgot one key ingredient. The flour. Come on now. A good amount of flour in there. That's what I forgot. I also forgot I have a spoon in here already. But hey, I'm gonna mix this around and brown everything, get it nice and incorporated, then put the oxtails back in. See, it kind of chunksifies. Hey, y'all, this shit smells fire though. This smells freaking fire. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more extra virgin olive oil in there. Kind of loosen it up a little bit. That kind of turned out a little thick. There we go. Because you know, flour sucks up all the moisture. And that was a good amount of flour because I got to put water in to finish everything. But we got to get this cooked down. Put the flour in, so now we'll put the oxtails back in. Yes, they're seasoned to perfection. There we go. Put that in there. And now, I'll be back. Okay, y'all see how those been browned a little bit. Looking nice and beautiful. Okay. Now, we take some water. Put it right on top. And that ain't it. You gotta know what I make. Well, I don't make it. I just sit in the window and let it dry. My crushed habaneros. There we go. Because I don't have, what's it freaking called? Leave a comment of what the chili pepper they have in Jamaica is. That's what I'm looking for. All right, y'all, I'm back.
So,
let me pause this.
I get to go second.
But hey, man, I'm excited about this meal. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie, ain't gonna lie, ain't gonna lie. But hey, look at it. Tell me you made something like this at home. Look at that. Ooh, woo. If you could smell it, you would die for it. I'm gonna let that cook for about 2 hours, just like that. Just let it go. But hey, yeah, I know. It's Trucker's Life, baby. Trucker's Life. Yeah. But hey, y'all stay safe out there if you're a fellow driver. I've seen a lot of accidents lately, and I want y'all to be safe. I want us to be safe. We got families to make it home to. But hey, we need to bring back the old etiquette of truck driving where we actually gave a fuck about each other. I try to give a fuck about other drivers, and it gets slapped in my face, but I ain't gonna stop. But hey, it's Trucker's Life. Cowboys, baby! Okay, y'all, we got a half a stick of butter right here. We about to go in with this fettuccine. I know y'all see them oxtails right next to it bubbling up and looking delicious. Okay, this one fell up, so that's trash. And I'm gonna mix this around, and as they soften up, I'll put some other stuff in it. Alright, y'all, we back, and we about to get these Brussels sprouts going. One thing I'm doing, I got a quarter stick of butter in there. Take some of this water out of here, put it over here for seasoning. We're gonna leave that right there on a plate back there. And we're gonna take some of these Brussels sprouts and put them right into that water butter mix. I already know it's gonna be delicious. And we're gonna cover these and let them saute up. But this is what the oxtails look like right now. Look at that. Tell me that don't look delicious. If you ever had oxtails, you know they're delicious. Oh God. You know what? I might as well just put the rest of these in here, huh? Yeah, we're gonna do that. There we go. Alright, y'all, we finishing up. Got the pasta plated. We're gonna take these beautiful oxtails. Y'all see how beautiful those are? Just put it on top. Yeah. Put that on top. Yeah, I got the oxtails right there. Right there, boy. Yeah, that should be good. And then we take these Brussels sprouts out right here. I don't know, I just started liking Brussels sprouts recently, and I'm obsessed with them now. They taste better than broccoli to me. Ooh, it's hot. Just got done. Everything just got done right now. But hey, that's my plate. And I'm gone. Pasta plated. We're gonna take these beautiful oxtails. See how beautiful those are? Just put it on top. Yeah. Put that on top. Yeah, I got the oxtails right there. Right there, boy. Yeah, that should be good. And then we take these Brussels sprouts out right here. I don't know, I just started liking Brussels sprouts recently, and I'm obsessed with them now. They taste better than broccoli to me. Ooh, it's hot. Just got done. Everything just got done right now. But hey, that's my plate. And I'm gone.